Miami Boat Show is one of the largest boat shows happening every year here. Finish or not, usually it's Miami, you know, they tell you it's going to be finished within 6 months, and in reality it's going to take 6 years. By the way, right here was infamous Al Capone hideout spot. He actually looking to buy a house and to buy a boat as well here in Miami.
It was listed for $4,995. It is located in Miami Beach.
For sale, this one is gonna go more than 40 million. Going to be red Ferrari Testarossa on this wall. Welcome to Miami's most exclusive islands, Palm Island and Hibiscus Island, Miami's ultimate waterfront lifestyle.
Thank you. So I have this expired lead. He wants to meet today if you are available, because tomorrow he will be traveling and will be out of Miami for a month. So if today works for you, when do you think you will be available? He wants to meet in Pura Vida, perhaps to discuss.
Can you give me details about the property?
It's expired. It has been in the market for a really long time, from 2024 in May.
Okay.
So it got cancelled, and he is willing to relist with another one. So he wants to discuss.
But details about the property, where it's located, what is the price?
It was listed for $4,995. It is located in Miami Beach.
That's fine. You can schedule with that guy for 1 p.m.
Okay, so I'll get in touch with him and let you know. Thank you so much, and sorry for calling again.
No worries. All right, talk to you. Bye-bye.
You have a wonderful day.
You too, bye-bye. I'm sorry. So it was expired listing. He has a unit at 3737 Collins Avenue, Caribbean building, and he's looking to relist it. It was expired. It wasn't sold. If I'm not mistaken, there was some renovation in building, and I'm not sure if they finished or not. Usually it's Miami, you know, they tell you it's going to be finished within 6 months, and in reality it's going to take 6 years. No, not 6 years, of course, but longer than expected. It's normal. And he's looking to relist it, asking around 4.9, so we'll see how it's going to go. Hey, by the way, as you can see, I'm not in a Pura Vida today, and lunch spot today I choose at West Avenue Joy and Juice. They have a pretty good sandwiches. I usually go with the tuna caras. And I like the location. It's been here for a long time. I think it's one of the first locations they opened. It's a European, I think they from Denmark, you know, European concept of the coffees and juices and sandwiches, as you can see, and they've been expanding in Miami. So this is one of my favorite locations in Miami Beach. You should try it, by the way. Now we are like almost on Hibiscus Island, going to check out our rental listings. I sold that house to a client of mine a few years ago, and at first he was, thank you. He was looking to come here, and then he decided to rent it out, and it's waiting to be finished with the furniture installed and ready to rock. I'll show it to you. It's going to be definitely it's going to be one of the most unique houses in the whole Miami Beach, and I'll show you why. Let's go. Let me give you a tour. So this is a over 21,000 square feet waterfront house with close to 9,000 square feet interior living space, and it's designed by Saora. Exteriors, interiors. Once it's finished, it's going to be, as I mentioned, one of the most beautiful houses in Miami Beach, and it's going to be available for rent. You want to hop? Once it's finished, I'm gonna show it to you again. You see I'll start with that wall right here. It's going to be red Ferrari Testarossa on this wall. Let's go outside, I'll show you briefly, and then we will hop inside again. Over 100 feet on the water. Beautiful infinity pool once it's going to be finished. One of the main reasons why that house was purchased by the current owner is location of it. It's a little bit on the, how to say that, on the hideout side of the island, and you're not gonna have boats passing with the tourists. So it's kind of one of those things is very important, I guess, if you're looking for more privacy. And asking price is going to be close to 300. And once it's finished, and as I mentioned, it's going to be very, very unique property. For sale, this one is going to go more than 40 million for sure once it's done. But unfortunately, for everyone who was looking, who would consider to buy it, it's not for sale yet. And we already have been getting offers, but it's going to be available for rent. So if you'd like to experience something like that, please contact me and I'll be happy to help you. And let's go, I'll give you some details about this island, Hibiscus, and about the Palm Island. I'll give you some history tour. Today we are stepping in a world of luxury, waterfront elegance, and unparalleled exclusivity. Welcome to Miami Beach's most coveted islands, Palm Island and Hibiscus Island. If you're looking for a prestige, privacy, and panoramic views, you are in the right place. Hibiscus Island was born in the roaring 20s, an era of extravagant parties, jazz music, and the rise of Miami as a playground for the elites. Today, this gated paradise is the home for about 150 houses, which most of them located on the water with the jaw-dropping views of the Miami skyline. From historic mansions built in 30s and 40s to sleek modern mansions with the panoramic water views. That island is home for celebrities, CEOs, and international investors that looking to live their dream lifestyle with the private docks, water views, infinity pools, and floor-to-ceiling windows overlooking the bay are just the beginning. And the best part are you in the middle of everything. You're just a few minutes from the Miami Beach, nightlife of the South Beach, ocean, and a couple of miles from the downtown design district, Wynwood, and cultural part of the city. Now let's talk about Palm Island. If Hibiscus is glamorous, Palm Island takes it up a notch, where biggest real estate deals happen. With over 136 houses, 98 of which located on a waterfront, with unobstructed, gorgeous views of the Miami skyline. Palm Island is not just about luxury, it's steeped in history. By the way, right here was infamous Al Capone hideout spot at 93 Palm Avenue. Now, largest compound available for sale, 3 estates at 150 million. Living here means owning more than just a home. It's a statement. It's about waking up to the sound of waves and stepping onto your yacht from your own backyard. If you are thinking to experience a pinnacle of waterfront living and you think these islands are calling your name and you're looking for historical estates with a character or brand new mansion and you're ready to make a move, drop a comment below, DM me on Instagram or give me a call and I'll be happy to do a private tour for you. Almost end of the day, to be honest, a bit tired already. And I just arrived to boat show. Miami Boat Show is one of the largest boat shows happening every year here. waiting for my friend Dmitry. He's looking to buy, he actually looking to buy a house and to buy a boat as well here in Miami. I guess full package, right? Waterfront house and the boat right away. So we came here today is the first day. He's gonna see a couple of boats in here, and then we're gonna come back tomorrow as well. That's it for today. It was super, to be honest, a long day. I'm very exhausted. And thank you for staying here with me till the end. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions about the real estate in Miami, of course, don't forget to give me a call. And I'll see you at my next vlog. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.